Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a spicy homemade chicken sandwich. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. I have 4 chicken breasts washed, seasoned. I season it with some seasoning salt, Slap Your Mama seasoning, cayenne pepper, and some garlic powder. So I have 2 eggs, scrambled 2 eggs up. Eggs are expensive nowadays, guys. And I have like 2 cups of flour here. And I also have my pan going with canola oil. Make sure your pan gets hot. Before it gets hot, you will know, like take a little water. See that? That's when it's hot and ready to go. Hot and ready to go. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So I already washed and prepped the chicken. Seasoning to your liking. I'm gonna go ahead and dump my chicken all over and the egg. Then you're gonna let the residual drop off. And put it all around in your flour. You want to flour it real good, and you can also dip it twice if you like to make sure it's all on there. And I'm going to repeat this, and I'm going to come back and show you what we're going to do with the chicken sandwich. See these nice big chicken breasts? Now you don't want them real thick, and if they are thick, you cut your chicken breast in half. Okay, we go ahead and get that ready. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one and come back and show you. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make my special spicy sweet sauce. Hickory brown sugar barbecue sauce, red hot franks, and some honey. I'm using a raw honey. This is going to be my sauce. Oh, that smells good. That's going to go on the chicken sandwich. You need more, you add more. Okay, so I have cooked my chicken breast at least 6 to 7 minutes on one side. And now I am cooking it on the other side. And then I will come back and show you after I sit it on the rack and drain it. And we're going to get to making our chicken breast. Look how pretty, golden, crispy it looks. Now, let's go ahead and get ready to taste it. Let's go ahead and, I'm not going to, you can put pickles or whatever you like on it. But first, I'm just going to put a little bit on my bread. And you can put as much as you like on your chicken. That smells so delicious, guys. It's just golden, crispy, and tender. So I'm going to lay it on a flat bread here. And the rest of the chicken breasts are cooking, so you will make more sauce if you like. You don't have to put as much as I'm doing, but this is what I like. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. All right, so let's go ahead and get to tasting. I cleaned off the plate a little bit so I can show you guys. Let's get to tasting. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Simone's Kitchen. Everybody be blessed. Thank you.